Alright folks, today is a new day. As you can see, I primered most of the body of the car. Didn't quite primer the front bumper yet, or the back bumper. I'm not too worried about the front bumper since this piece is broken right here. Yeah, but I'm just gonna throw a lip on there just to make it look a little bit better. So it should be good enough for me. So I did notice a couple spots that stuck out after I primered it. So this is the part I'm gonna have to put some body filler on. This part here, some body filler on. And this piece here. Those are pretty much the spots that bothered me the most. Definitely gonna need some body filler here, even though I should get a new fender, but in this case, don't really got the time currently. The primer can that I got was pretty crappy. As you can see, like all these lines and everything. It's just how the can was sprayed out. A couple more spots that do bother me, but oh well, I mean, this is just for fun, you know? It's not gonna be perfect, but it will do. I still gotta grind this piece off. As you can see, it's pretty solid. Someone said I should have used more hardener for fiberglass. Yeah, this piece is good, but the other fiberglass piece that I needed more hardener on is the door. Some of it is a little bit tacky, but other than that, most of it's pretty hardened. So yeah, in this video, I'm just gonna body filler certain spots, certain areas that I think needs it. I mean, it's actually a lot more spots, but it'll work for me. So I just gotta grind this piece off here. I'm gonna use the grinder for that, and then just try to make this look smoothly as best as I could. I know it's not gonna be perfect, but it'll do. Alright, so in this video, I'm just gonna be working on priming and sanding. So far, I still have a lot of work to do on sanding. Right now I'm starting off with the rear bumper. So as I'm sanding it, I'm starting off with one angle, and then I'm just gonna work my way other angles. So right now I'm going this angle, and then after I get the whole bumper sanded, I'm going to do the other angle, so it'll be like an X. Just like this, and then like that, which makes it an X. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching me just sanding this thing. Alright, so I'm going to be cleaning with some alcohol and some water. Alright, looks pretty mask off to me. Nah, just kidding. Alright, let's see how good I can make this. Guess it is 20 by 20. Open it up. Alright, so in this part of the video, I'm just masking it off, covering the windows. I know this is not going to be a perfect, paint job and whatnot, but it is a DIY. It could be better. But so far, right now I'm just masking it off. I bought this 20 by 20 feet plastic piece from Walmart. It's like only like $5 or so. And yeah, I mean, so far coming out pretty good. You're gonna need some masking tape for sure. But yeah, other than that, make sure you have a good cutters. I could have used scissors. It probably would have been easier. But in this case, I just used my pocket knife or my razor blade, and it's just been working out pretty nice, pretty smoothly. So right now, just working my way to the front, or I mean passenger side to the front, and then to the driver's side. This part I'm trying to look for an angle, but I was able to figure it out luckily. So, but yeah, so far it's going out pretty nice. Yeah, I'm just like a 20 by 20 feet plastic covers, so it's definitely a lot, like enough at least to cover the windows and then certain areas that I want to cover. In this part, yeah, I'm just pretty much masking it off, but yeah, as you can tell, I skipped a lot of certain parts in the video, but it's just nothing but sanding and body fillering. As you can see, the car is mostly primered already. I did use the spray can for it, but in the next clip that's going to be coming up, I'm going to show you the paint gun that I'm going to be using, because, you know, I went to a class in high school for auto body shop, and it was a lot of fun. And if you want to lay down some paint, you're going to need a paint gun, but it'll show that in the next clip. Other than that, yeah, so far some of the masking tape that I masked already was coming off, so I went ahead and fixed that up. Other than that, it's coming out really good. And then this part, the roof, I didn't really worry about too much. Like I only use it to open it up if I want some ventilation or something. So I'm using a cardboard, and yeah, I'm just pretty much using a whole big piece of cardboard because to me, I just thought it was easier. As you can see, I'm masking it off, covering it up from driver's side, going over to the passenger side. It's not too bad. If I do get some paint sneaking into there, it's not really too worried about it because I can just scrape it off or something because it's a window up top. But yeah, here we go. All right, so I got the car mostly masked off for the windows. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I know it's not perfect, but it's, you know, good enough for me. I'm a little bit worried about the door though, because I can't really open it without ruining it. I mean, I know the paint's not gonna be perfect anyways, but I've just been dying to paint it. So yeah, so I'm gonna get some like rags or something, cover up the wheels. I'm gonna primer some spots. Yes, I know that part's not gonna be smoothed out. It's not gonna be perfect. Doesn't matter. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna start. See, I should have taken out the taillights real quick. Actually, I think I still can. Yeah, whatever. I'll do whatever I can. I'm going to lay down a couple more primer paints and then spray some paint. I actually can't wait to show you guys this. But here it is. So this should be... Okay, so this is the paint that I got ordered online. Quite a good deal. This is called Sunrise Orange. Ooh. Hopefully it'll be enough. See, I went to the paint store to get me a gallon, and it cost me $1,200 if I were to get it. This one only cost me $400 total with the gallon of clear coat, which is pretty nice, and it came with the hardener. Ooh, man, this is pretty heavy. Oh, I can't wait to open it. I mean, paint it. So let me show you guys the gun real quick. Where'd it go? Here it is. So this is the gun I got from Harbor Freight. It looks super nice. I used to paint back in high school with my teachers and everything. And yeah, look at this thing. This thing is so nice. I was actually playing with it earlier with some water, and it came out pretty nice. I have it at the setting that I want it to be at. But if anything, I'm going to test it out with the paint just to see how it goes. Well, yeah, look at this thing. This thing looks really nice though. I actually can't wait. I forgot how you mix paint. So if anything, hopefully it comes out all right. All right, so wipe down the car a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and start primering certain parts of it just to make sure the paint goes on there nice and easy. There are some bugs around, I see pieces of hair. I'm just pretty much starting out with the edge. Oop. I should probably start with these parts. Okay, some of this parts is probably going to flip the car. Yeah, that's going to be a little bit bothering, but screw it. Oh man, my finger's already hurting. Alright folks, so this is all I got so far. I primed it as much as I can. If anything, all I gotta do now is just scuff it and then lay some paint down. I will post the painting of it next time because this is a pretty long progress, man. And yeah, so this is what it looks like so far. Not too bad. I mean, I am a little bit worried about the back bumper, but I'm most likely gonna have to get a new one anyways in the future. If anything, as you can see, there's like some bugs and stuff on there. Look at that little thing. I'm not sure where all these bugs, little bugs, coming from. I'm surprised they like the paint or primer. But yeah, so far it's masked off, so I can't really be driving this, so I'm gonna have to drive Supra for a good while. But it is my birthday month. Happy early birthday to me. Anyways, yeah, front bumper's not gonna be perfect. There was a couple hot spots that I partially melted the bumper because I sanded it so hard with the grinder and everything. But it is not gonna be perfect. As you can see, broken piece right there, but I'm gonna use the lip to cover it up. So yeah, I think I have like a can and a half left of primer. So but so far this is what it looks like. I'm gonna upload the video right now, and then yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. See you next time.